Welcome back. This week I want to discuss something that is probably a little bit unpopular, but I keep my salt level, especially on the Hayward salt systems, well above 3,500. I like to keep mine in the upper 3,000s up to 4,000, okay? Reason being is that where I live and where I service in Florida, it's tropical. We get some heavy rains, even without the tropical storms, but we get heavy rains and it's very common to lose 3, 4, 500 parts per million in a week. I'm not there every day, I could only go once a week. So anytime I see the salt level going to 34, 3,300, I put in a 40-pound bag of salt, and I like keeping it 38, 39, 4,000. We did just have Tropical Storm Debbie come out, and some of the smaller kidney-shaped pools, 7,000 gallons, 8,000 gallons, I mean, they went from 3,800 to 3,100 on the salt reading in 1 week. If I had that pool within the recommended range of 2,700 to 3,200, I mean, that thing, the salt system would have stopped working under a certain amount. I don't know if it's 2,600, 2,700, but the lights will start blinking on and the salt cell will stop producing salt. So again, I'm only there once a week, and I gotta, my priority is to make sure that pool is swimmable, chemically, and that it's clear at all times. So if it's at 3,000 and in 1 week it's going down to 2,300, 2,400, and I come back and there's no chlorine and it's cloudy, that's on me. Also, I went to a workshop for Pentair, and I spoke with their engineers. We had like a round robin 2-hour class on this, 2-hour class on that, 2-hour class on that. And when we got to the salt cell itself, I believe their recommended range is 3,600. But he, even directly face to face, they said keeping it up at 4,000 or lower 4,000s after 4,500 on the Pentair system, the light will blink on that the salt level's too high. But keeping it at 4,000, he even said that it makes the salt cell run smoother. The higher the salinity, the less, work or output that the salt cell needs to do internally to produce the chlorine. Okay, so it works more efficient. Okay, so that's my piece for this week. I like keeping the salt level in the upper 3,000s up to 4,000 across all my salt systems. What salt level do you keep yours on? Put them down in the comments below, and if you got any requests for future videos, leave them also. I'll see you next time.